The sun is 93 million miles away. It gives life to our planet, but human engineering can turn a life giver into a weapon. Today, we are not using electricity. We are not using chemical lasers. We are using pure, silent geometry to liquefy solid steel. This is a custom-built parabolic array. 500 individual mirrors, salvaged and perfectly aligned. To the naked eye, it looks like a satellite dish, but structurally, it is a high-stakes optical funnel. It catches harmless ambient photons and concentrates them into a single violent focal point. We align the array with the sun. The ambient temperature in the air is a comfortable 75 degrees, but at the absolute center of the focal point, the physics begin to break down. We place a block of solid steel into the kill zone. Watch the thermal imaging. Steel melts at 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The concentrated photons are hitting the metal with such catastrophic density that it skips the burning phase entirely. The metal doesn't catch fire. It simply surrenders. It liquefies, dripping like glowing orange magma. There is no noise, no engine, no fuel. Just the terrifying, silent power of concentrated light. We spend billions of dollars building nuclear reactors and lasers, but sometimes the ultimate destruction requires nothing more than a few hundred meters and a clear sky. Subscribe to Pluto's Secret before we point this at a diamond.